Today in this video, we're going to discuss regarding an important electrical entropy question. So the question is that how the test lamp works. How it works actually. Let's talk about it. Normally to test 440 volt using 220 volt bulbs, we have to connect two identically 220 volt bulbs in series. And this configuration divides the 440 volt evenly by supplying 220 volt to each bulb. If one bulb is missing or burns out, the circuit breaks by preventing the damage to connected equipment. So the key principles of 440 volt test lamp is connected with a principle that is called as a voltage divider rule. So let's talk about it. So by placing the bulbs in series, it splits the total voltage across them by allowing 220 volt bulbs to withstand a 440 volt source without immediately burning out. Basically, the pair of test lamps is used to check for the power between the phases, sometimes RY and YV, and sometimes between BR. So if both lamps glows brightly, it indicates the 440 volt supply is present. If lamps dim or not glowing, that suggests the fault or incomplete circuit.